Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is my ultimate soul food, chicken biryani. You give me for breakfast, lunch and dinner and I can have it at any time of the day, and this is the most shortcut method, the most possible convenient method that I have found out over the years, and so I am sharing it with you all. I prefer this microwave method over any other process because in terms of the long grain fluffy rice, in terms of the color of biryani, in terms of the properly cooked chicken, aloo, this is a spot on recipe and it comes out so freaking good. I hope you will like it. Keep on watching the video. Okay, to make the biryani masala, this is pretty much what I use for making homemade biryani masala. I do not prefer too many spices in biryani. Starting off with bay leaves, few cinnamon sticks, cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, black peppercorns, mace and nutmeg. I will be using half of this. Do not use too much of nutmeg, otherwise your biryani may turn out to be bitter. So these are pretty much the ingredients that I generally use to make biryani masala. I just microwave it for about a minute, but you can also toast them in a frying pan and then grind it to a fine powder in a blender jar. To the chicken, add in some curd. Next, add in red chili powder. You can use green chili paste as well. Salt as per your taste. Biryani masala powder I have shown earlier. Nutmeg and mace powder. This is optional but it gives a great flavor. Ginger paste. Some garlic paste. Next is Kora water. And the last one is rose water. Now give it a quick mix and let the chicken marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it aside for marination. Now for the frying, heat up sufficient quantity of oil. Once the oil gets heated up, add in your sliced onions to make the fried onions. Now fry the onions till they are golden brown in color. Keep the flame on a medium to high heat, otherwise onions may get burnt faster. Once they turn golden brown, strain it and keep it aside. To the same oil, now fry the potatoes which have been marinated with some salt and some food color, which is optional, but you can instead use some turmeric powder as well. Fry it till they turn golden brown, after which strain it and keep it onto a plate. To the same kadai, add sufficient quantity of water, add in some salt, a few whole garam masalas. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, it's time to add in the washed basmati rice. It hardly took me around 5 to 7 minutes, within which my rice was perfectly cooked, a bit al dente, and that is exactly what we want. Now strain it off and keep it aside. Now to the chicken, add in your fried aloo and now some of the fried onions. Mix it well, cover the lid and put it back in the microwave for about 10 minutes. Microwave at 100 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your chicken should look somewhat like this. 10 minutes is the perfect timing within which your chicken, your aloo gets properly cooked. Now time for the layering. So layer the rice on the chicken. Ingredients are listed in the description box, so do check them out. Top it up with some ghee. If you want, you can omit this step. Now fried onion goes in, and now the saffron milk. So to hot milk you add in a few strands of saffron, a few drops of meetha atar, some kevra water and some rose water. That is how you make your saffron milk. And now this is optional. If you have boiled egg, you can add them in. Cover the lid and again in it goes into the microwave for a good 5 minutes at 900 degrees Celsius. This is the process of dum, in which everything will be properly cooked and come together. After 5 minutes, your biryani is ready. Ooh, that side though. Now time for the plating. So mix in the yellow and the white rice. Just gently mix them. Do not over mix, otherwise the rice might break. It hardly takes around 30 minutes for everything to get properly done. So do try them and let me know in the comment section down below. Taste wise, I can guarantee it is a complete plate of heaven if you are a biryani lover like me. And what could be better making it in such a less time? If you like this video, I hope you do, because this is my most favorite food of all times. Then please do like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notified on any of my upcoming videos.